Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So we have another unboxing. Well, in this instance, I have a couple of envelopes to unbox, and rest assured, it's something interesting. And you will open one now and see what they are. I, as I like old coins or anything old. I think that's why I mostly bid on old coins. Doesn't matter to me if it's copper or silver. Well, as long as it interests me and it's something old, that will do, I guess. So we'll open this one. Okay, it is properly sealed as always. I buy from reputed sellers, and of course they are also known collectors. So what we have this one? Oh wow, okay. And I'm unboxing. I don't know what's inside, so the information will be limited for me to say, because sometimes I bought a few and then it will come on different dates, and I have don't manage to open it. And aside from that, I've been buying or going to auctions different with different sellers. So yeah, okay. Now we go with this one. Okay, this is a silver coin or a token, I think. As far as I remember, I have it for like a while now. I haven't opened the thing. Like I said, I was a bit busy. But yeah, this is an old United Kingdom token, and it's silver. As far as I know, its composition is 925 silver, and the diameter is not that big. Although I think there's a bigger token or metal than this one, and it have also silver, and I think I'm not sure, but I think there's also a gold medal like this. So it's a commemorative medal of Queen Victoria. This is a young portrait of Queen Victoria, and it is from the United Kingdom. As I see the diameter, I think it's 25.75 millimeters. The thickness is good, as you can see. Nice toning as well. So it is a commemorative coin of Queen Elizabeth's 60th anniversary as a queen. And as we can see here, this is an old portrait. This one, the bell portrait of Queen Elizabeth. Oh, Queen Victoria, sorry. And we can see here letterings in Latin, I think. It's Victoria. I think it's anniversary of Ascension. As far as I remember, it's a 60th anniversary of Queen Victoria's Ascension. And this is the young portrait of Queen Victoria. Queen Victoria reigned from 1837 up to 1901, as I believe she is the longest monarch in years. It's a long years, 1837 up to 1901, and it was after her. It was King Edward VII, I think. So it is 60th anniversary ascension of Queen Victoria, and I think that the engraver is if I served it right, if I remember it right, it's George Williams de Saules. So yeah, okay. So we go with this other one. Okay, And this one. Oh, okay, all right. It's another interesting thing, I think. Hopefully you like it. So it says thank you. See, with a smiley face. Very nice. How can you not buy collector's items from these sellers? They're very professional, and they wrapped it good as well. So yeah, very well. All right. Oh wow. Ooh. Oh. Okay. All right. So okay. I think there's a preview. I think, or what? I don't know. I thought I bought only three coins, but I see four. I know because these are old Spanish coins that I bought. So just remove this one for now. And as far as I remember, the one that I bought, there's only three of it. Only three coins, but this is 4 coins. So it is a mystery. Maybe I have a freebie. Let me check. Yes, I have 3 Spanish coins as far as I know. Okay, anyway, it's very good that that they gave 4. So that means I have a freebie. I think even a stamp. Yeah, this one. But anyway, okay, we'll go with this one. Okay, it have an information packet as well. So okay. So this is year 1958. So year 1958. But it says 57. Do I see it right? 57. Sorry about the thing. The plastic is reflecting on the lighting. But I see it's 57. Correct me if I'm wrong. It says 57. And it is Francisco Franco Caudillo. Oh, something like that. España. not 1958. It's oh, okay, as you see, 50% as 1957. Here we go. Start to the left with 58 times 12 value ties. Barries. Oh, okay, have 12 barries. 1958. Ah, okay. Stars to the left with 58. Stars to the left. It's 58. I'm looking for it. Where is it? Stars to the left with 58. Ah, okay, that star. You can see it, that star. Oh, yes, it reads 58. Wow, okay. You see it? Reads 58. Very nice, eh? Reads 58. Wow, okay. So it have 12 varieties. 1958, the start to, oh wow, very nice. It's very informative because I didn't know it. I already have a few of these, but I didn't know that there's 12 varieties of it. I don't even know what varieties I have. So okay, this one, and we'll go with this one. So this one is 1879. Nice one, eh? It's 1870. I think I need to remove it from the, but it's be too much hassle removing it. Otherwise, it will take so much time to remove it anyway. But yeah, it is, as far as I can see, it This Alfonso the 12th, 1879. Spain. It's 5 centimos. It's a big one. It's in nice condition as well. Nice, very nice condition. See, doesn't have lots of other info, but yeah, it's 5 cent. It's getting rare now. These sort of old Spanish era coin. So I'll check with this one. Hey, it's a freebie. Wow. But you know why I bought this lot, and believe it or not, I bought it only for $3.50. Actually, nobody bid on these old beauties, but this is why I bought this coin. It's 1868. Although I have coins of Queen Isabel, Spain, I don't have much. And yeah, this one I see it's have I mean it's in good condition. I think I need to remove it from the coin flip. I will remove it. I'll show you this one first, okay? But then I'll remove it later, right? So this is a freebie. It's a kiwi stamp with a band that's delivering the packages. It's couriers. Nice one. Okay. So we'll get through the freebie. We'll remove it. It doesn't matter if if we have exceeded times. Oh, it's an 1858 Russian coin. Very nice for a freebie, right? 1858 Russian coin. Very nice. It's a 1 kopeck, as I believe. And all right, it is from the reign of Alexander II. Wow, very nice. Very nice one, eh? From the reign of Alexander II. Very nice. So as far as I know, Alexander II is a Tsar of Russia. This from the Russian Empire, and as I remember, he's an emperor or a Tsar from 1855 up to 1881. And this is a 1 copy coin. It's composed of, as far as I know, it's composed of copper. And we can see his monogram here. An A with a 2 down below. And these coins are usually minted from the Ekaterinburg Mint. As we can see, I think down below it's EM. From Ekaterinburg Mint. From the Russian Federation now. From the Russian Empire. Very nice coin, very nice. Alexander II. All right, wow. So we go with the, where is it? This one. So this is why I bought this lot. It's Queen Isabel. I think I only have at least 2 of it. 2 of this coin. With Queen Isabel's or Queen Isabel's era coin of Spain. Okay, it's good to have freebie as well. Very nice. Eh? Okay, I destroyed the thing. Anyway, it's reflecting on the light is reflecting it. So yeah. Okay, so this is Queen Isabel. It's a bit dark because I think this is a bronze coin, and it's turns dark like this now. See, it's 1868 Queen Isabel reigned from 1833 up to 1867 or 68. I think 68, I think, as well. So this is the last variety of the coins from Queen Isabel's era of Spain. And I think these coins lasted from only 1865 so until 1868. So it's only 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 years. That's this coin has been minted. But the sad thing is, I think the mintage is not known. So as we can see, this is the coat of arms of Spain. Very nice. See a lion, two lion with two towers, and the the value below 2.5 centimos de escudo. Escudo is their use of or currency. Their currency escudo, and 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 they only use the escudo from 1864 up to 1873. So that's not much. See, Reina de las Españas. And Queen Isabel reigned from 1833 up to 1868. So how many years? 35 years. So it's a long time as well. Very nice, eh? So they live long, and yeah, of course, they reigned long as well. So, and as far as I know, these coins have 5 mintage or 5 place of mints that they were minted. I'm still looking for where the mint mark is. I don't see it. I don't know. Where they put it in these coins. But it's in Barcelona, in Jubia, in Segovia, in Seville, and the Royal Mint of Spain in Madrid. So there you go. So yeah, interesting coins and metal and one stamp. So nice one. This is what we have for this video. I know it's taken a long time. I mean, it's a long video, but these are interesting coins and medals as well. So there you go. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.